Hi guys, good afternoon and welcome to another YouTube video. If today is the first time you are seeing me on the screen, consider subscribing for vlogs and Muslima lifestyle. And if you are a returning subscriber, thanks for always coming back. So today is the 12th day of May. Why am I saying May? Of April, and it's 1:46 p.m. If you watch the other vlog, you know this is a continuation of that vlog. Okay, so we went and then fixed the screen. The screen was almost coming off, and I told you guys we were going to fix it, and tada, we went to fix it, and it was given to us like this. They said I should let the rubber band be on it for say 30 minutes, but then I decided to do the taking off and everything with you guys, so I have just kept this purposely for the vlog. So let's just take this off and see how the screen is currently looking like. Okay, we just have to take the cover off and then take the rubber bands off, and then take this off. Yes, also we will have to get a new protector for this phone before the screen starts cracking and all that. The last time too, I told you guys I wanted to, like the last errand vlog before the one we went to fix this one, I told you guys we were going to pick an order from Temu, but I didn't show you guys anything from that Temu order. So I got this shoe rack from Temu and we have some assembling to do. Yes, this was the shoe rack I got from Temu. So let's get into it. Guys, I just realized I didn't connect this part of the microphone to the phone. So my fan is on. I don't know how the sound is going to be like, but you guys, please pardon me, okay?
Come. Hey. So, you too. How are you? You good? Okay. Anyways, remember that I haven't brought you any Christmas present yet. So, it's okay. It's what we get here. It's fine.
Instead of helping mommy actually takes advantage. Refuse to adopt that child. Me.
Are you not coming to the village for Audrey's wedding? Your fourth cousin on your father's side.
We only managed to break even. Nonetheless, I will try again next year. What do you know?
Manager, when we collect our December salary? Manager, oh! Manager!
I know. You're coming back.
So this is what we just did. We just connected this one to this. So I've repeated the same thing for all four of them. So let's see what to do next. So I'm just going to connect this part to this. I don't know what I'm doing, but it's going to make sense. Okay, let's just that one. It's going to make sense, isn't it? Seems I've turned it.
What do you mean? I like the new numbers.
You're right here.
Yeah, fine. I'll wait up to you. We're going to do this. Well, that's the records and this is that. Now, continue. And that looks like you look cute. What?
And to the next It's going very easy. Like me, I'm a pro. See that? Jesse. This is it. It's making things now. It's making things now. Yeah, yeah. He just paints it like that. So we are here. To fix these and it will be done.